I am going to use these mixed radish seeds that I bought at the garden center. Step 1. Make holes of around 1 centimeter deep, or in my case, the tip of the finger will do. Make the holes around 5 centimeters apart from each other. Step 2. Place 2 to 3 seeds in each hole. You can sow radishes from half March until half August outside, or from half February till March under glass. Step 3. Cover the holes with soil and give them water. Step 4. After a week or so, you see the seedlings above the soil. What you want to do now is remove the shorter and smaller ones, so on each spot only the strongest stays. Let's say it's an assisted survival of the fittest, right, Darwin? Five days later, you will see the first real leaves growing on the seedlings. Step 5. Don't forget to water the plants. Step 6. When you see the tops of your radishes appear above the soil, they are ready to harvest. These radishes were ready after 4 weeks. Harvesting them is super easy. Just pull the plant out by holding the bulb with your fingers. Look at how big this first one is! Harvest them one by one and speed yourself up to make it go faster! Just kidding. Slow harvest is fine. Wash them and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel and start to grow your knowledge. Have a nice day.